Hey y'all, it's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be getting into the hair because I'm done. Let's get into the hair. We're gonna count my locks today. We are going to spray with some water. Let's give a little turn. This will serve as a before, I guess, and a length check because hair's not gonna be this long again for a while. We are going to divide her into 4 sections so we can count how many locks we have. We're all sectioned off, so let's get to counting. 1, 79, 80. 80 in this one section that I just counted. I should write this down. I should write it down. 1, 25, 26, 206. Lord. Look, I have 206 on half of my head. Theoretically, I should have 206 on this side too, but I might have like 204. That's insane. I don't like that. I didn't want any more than 300, and here I am about to count 400. I have an attitude. 1, 75, 76. Have 76 on this side. Hey Siri, what's 76 plus 206?
76 plus 206 is 282.
Okay, well, 1, 32, 33, 133. I don't even remember the numbers. Hey Siri, what's 206 plus 76 plus 133?
206 plus 76 plus 133 is 415.
$415? Bro. I demand a recount. Now that we've counted the locks, so the day that I officially finished installing my locks was Friday, July 21st. Today it is Wednesday, July 26th. So it's been a whole 5 days. I've been trying to enjoy my length while it's here, but I'm ready to wet it. I just want to see what it does. You know what I mean? I just want to see what it does when I wet it. So here we go. spritz it. Do you know what I mean? Ring it through like so. As you can see, it's wet like that. And then the same on the other side. Actually, let's do one side. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Shall we? All right, I think that's enough. I don't want to wet it too much. I just want to wet the ends really. And then see what it does when it curls up. All right, that's what that's looking like. Before and after. She's cute, she's curly, period. It's giving bohemian twist without the extensions. Without the extensions. Part of your world. Your girl is out here. Second set of locks, and I must say, I'm excited. This journey is gonna be cute. It's gonna be lit. Oh, now she has body. I should have wet it a little while ago, but I didn't. But here we are, I did now. So here we are.